Hi everybody, so a lot of people ask me where do I get my markers, let me show you. And if you don't know where to get them, click on orange icon right there. Get this brand of markers, Artify. Let me show you how they look inside. And also, give them the credit for the packaging. This looks amazing. I didn't even order it like this. I thought it was gonna come in a box. And it's perfect for a Christmas gift. Okay, let me unwrap this. Oh, this is so sweet. They even have a heart saying thank you. Guys, there's no way. This is so underrated. This is only $25. There's no way. Look at the box. It came with this papers that show you the colors. You can put it here or here. It will show you the colors so you don't waste your time looking for a color you need. It comes with this sticky paper, like for names or something, I think. I don't know. Let me show you this. It is magnets, so you open it like this. This is so cool. Look, it has an organizer so it doesn't feel like those cheap garbage markers. Look at the design of the markers. They look amazing. Guys, we're gonna have a fun time making pixel art. There's 48 markers. This is how the box looks. Look at this. It says their brand and it looks, look, there's sleeves here. I'm gonna test some colors here. Make this shot. Like, if you want to get this, click on orange icon right there to get them, guys. The B, it says B312. Let's try this. B300B, let's try it. It has two sides. The small side is here and the other side is the big side. Try this. There's no way. This is amazing. Let me try the big side. No way, no way. This is the best markers I ever got. They were, okay, let me remind you again. They were only $25. There's no way. There's no way it came in this. It came in this. Came in this cool box that is magnet and has all of this organizers here. Came with paper colors so you know which colors you need. It even has the instructions how to shade, how to get all the colors right. This is amazing, guys. You should definitely get this right now. Under this video, click on orange icon right now, guys. I'm telling you right now, this is literally so good.